Good morning, everybody. How are you feeling today? Maybe some happy people out there, a little sad, maybe somebody's hungry or hurt, I hope not, mad or tired. It's always good to know how you're feeling, and a nice thing to do when you're having feelings that make you uncomfortable is to sing a song or to take some deep breaths, pretend to blow out a birthday candle. Speaking of birthday candles, look at this. Let's review our numbers. 1, can you clap one time? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to stop there, but let's just think about numbers and how they are always in order and how we can combine them to make bigger groups. I can take my 1 cake and I can put it with my 10 cupcakes. And how many delicious snacks do I have then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 cake and 10 cupcakes equals 11 tasty snacks all together. Maybe I'm going to take my 8 cars and bring them over to your house, and you have 3 puppies, and how many things do we have to play with? We have 8 cars and 3 puppies. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I combine them and I get a bigger number. That's adding. Let's try another one. How about 5 bouncing balls plus 4 popsicles? I have 5 bouncing balls. You have 4 popsicles. Together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 things. How about, we already did that guy. Oh, 9 presents and 7 kites. So I count the presents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 plus 7, or 9 presents and 7 kites, equals 16 awesome things to play with. And here's our last guy. Let's take our 6 shoes and our 2 ice creams. So we combine them, we put them together and see how many things we have. So this boy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has 8 things. Wow. So this cupcakes reminded me of this story. Remember the pig and the pancake? Well, today's story by Laura Numeroff and F.Bond, the illustrator. If you give a cat a cupcake, how many words are in the title? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. Wow. How many cupcakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How cool. The amount of cupcakes matches the amount of words. Is this a true story? No, we can't give our cats cupcakes. That would make them sick. Is this going to be a fun story? I hope so. We'll just read it and remember that it's going to start and end with the same thing. So the beginning and the ending will be at the same spot. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at those words. They're all curly and cool. If you give a cat a cupcake. Author, that's the person who put the letters together to make the words. Laura Numeroff. Illustrations by That's the person who made the pictures. Maybe she used markers or crayons. F.Bond. If you give a cat a cupcake, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. When you give him the sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. Cleaning up will make him hot, so you'll give him a bathing suit and take him to the beach. He'll want to go in the water and build a sandcastle too. Then he'll look for seashells. He'll find other things as well. My goodness. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it'll be too heavy. He'll decide he needs to work out at the gym. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill. Then he'll lift a weight or two. He might even try a karate class. After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks. He'll climb as high as he can go. At the top, he'll see the lake. He'll want you to take him rowing. He'll be the captain. You'll have to row. Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. He'll want you to go for a ride too. The whale will remind him of the science museum and he'll ask you to take him there. First, he'll find the dinosaurs. Hall of Apes. When the museum closes, you'll be the last to leave. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather all of his things. Then he'll want to race you. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes. He might spill some on the floor. Seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the sprinkles. He'll probably ask you for some. He'll want a cupcake to go with them. And that's the end of our story. Do you remember the title? If you give a cat a cupcake. Do you remember what the story began and ended with? The cupcake and something that rhymes with wrinkles. The sprinkles. The sprinkles at the beginning that he spilled. And then the sprinkles at the ending of the story made him want that cupcake again. What were some of the adventures the cat had? We went to a few different places. Do you remember where that was? It rhymes with peach. He went to the beach. Rhymes with swim. Gym. Rhymes with Bond. He went to a pond for rowing. Rhymes with slide. He went on a ride, a merry-go-round. And then rhymes with museum. It's called a museum. Those are places that we could go on field trips when we're a little bit older. And then the last place he went Rhymes with foam. He went back to his home. Okay, there were only those two characters in the story, the girl and the cat. Was it the same characters in this story? We had the pig and a girl. A different girl. And then in the other stories with the mouse, it was the boy and the mouse. So I am curious to know which one you liked better. Can you point to or say the name of the one that you liked better? Everybody, 1, 2, 3, go. Cat! Did anybody say cat with me or did somebody say pig? Do you remember what will tomorrow's story be? Oh my goodness, here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Can't wait to read that with you. I hope you're enjoying these as much as I am. And I can't wait till we're together and we can look at them all at the same time and talk about them and enjoy them and point to our favorite parts.